How to do ventosas when your back hurts or whatever, or you have air in your body. You grab a penny and you grab a candle. Obviously, I'm gonna put this candle together because this is the only candle we got. So I'm gonna put this candle together with this other candle. Just so it could get a little bit bigger, because you want to have at least 1 inch of a candle. Then you melt a little bit of this wax. Put it in the penny, like so. And this little trick was from my grandma. She taught us how to do this when you're in pain, and it actually helps. You melt it together, put it in the penny. Oh shit. And I just made a 1 inch candle. So when you grab a cup, obviously we used this one already. That's why it's black. It has to be a tiny cup. If you can see, 1 inch candle. The cup is a little bit big, but this is what you do. Watch. I'm gonna heat up this thing a little bit because it's a little hot, a little cold actually. And that way you don't put a cold ass cup on the person that you're healing. And then you place it in their back. Oh man. Oh, I popped this on. Alright, cool. Hold it right. Look. And then you want to place it like so. Heat up this little thing a little bit. Is that cool? Mm-hmm. Watch what this does when you have air in your body. You turn on the candle, let it glow for a little bit. Make sure the wax doesn't go down, because then it'll burn your patient. You do that, and if you can see, the cup rises up. Then you squeeze down. So when you do it on another little section, turn the candle back on. Oh shit, don't move. You squeeze the cup down a little bit and it's gonna suck air once the candle turns off. And then you push down here to release the air. And this helps with pain. I mean, obviously, it all depends on what kind of pain you got. Consult your doctor if it worsens, but if this helps you, like it helped us for many years, thank you, grandma. The little tricks that old people used to do with herbs and all that kind of stuff all the time. Give it a like if you tried it before. If you know about this, they're called Ventosas. Comment if it works for you, if you actually did it before. And like I said, seek professional help if it's a different type of pain. Look at how the skin raises up. That means she does have a little air in her body. How do you get air in your body? If you got a warm body and you go outside and it's super cold, and you accidentally, like right away, feel some sort of a pain in your body, that's how you get air. You could even hear it. Watch, I'm gonna be quiet on this one. When the air pops out, you could hear it. Watch. Another thing, I forgot to say this. When you're doing this, you gotta lay your patient straight in his belly or her belly, and you can only do this in the back. You can't do this on her stomach or anything like that. It has to be done in the back. And you can see the little circles that it leaves once you're releasing the air. So then you just place the cup right next to the other one. But it's only in her back. Once you do this process, you don't want to go outside, because then you'll catch air again. Yeah, she has a lot of air. She's gonna sleep like an angel tonight. Alright guys, hope you guys like it. See you on the next video. Peace out. Peace.